Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video I'm gonna explain you about the final accounts. That is very much important for 12 marks pakka guarantee problematic questions. By watching this video you can absolutely learn whole concept of the trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. If you are a non-commerce background student also, by watching this video you can easily understand the whole concept. Okay, so I will give you the tips and tricks related to this method. So don't skip the video and watch till the end, then only you will understand the whole concept. Okay, whether it is a 20 minutes video or 15 minutes video or 30 minutes video, try to watch each and every thing. Okay, so don't skip the video students, it will be helpful for you only. So let's get into the video. Okay,
Students, to prepare final accounts, you need to maintain three accounts, that is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Okay, so for every problem, these three pro formas you need to enter, you need to draw and you need to do the solution. So with three this accounts only you will finish your final accounts. Okay, so in trading account, what are the things you need to put down means factory related. So factory related things, the the amounts which are related to the factory, we will enter that in a trading account. The amount which is related to the company or an organization, that we will enter in a profit and loss account. In balance sheet we will have assets and liabilities. Assets is nothing but properties ma. Okay, so properties we will call it as a assets, and the liabilities means future repayment. అప్పులు in తెలుగులో అయితే అప్పులు అంటాము, అసెట్స్ అయితే ఆస్తులు అంటాము. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. Okay, so trading account related to the factory related, profit and account related to the company related, and the balance sheet is the asset and liabilities. And the most important and the crucial part is adjustments. Okay, adjustments are entered twice, whether it may be a trading account or P&L account, trading account or balance sheet or profit and loss account, whatever it may be. If they have given closing and closing stock means you need to enter this closing stock into two accounts. One is trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. Okay, if they have given closing stock means trading account credit side we need to put that amount, and after that in balance sheet assets side you need to put that amount. Next, depreciation, if they have given the depreciation we need to, if for example depreciation on plant 500 they have given ma. Okay, so we need to enter in the two accounts. One is a balance sheet debit side, so that 500 whatever the worth is there for the depreciation we need to enter that in a P&L account debit side, and in balance sheet asset side we need to deduct that from the plant. For example, plant is 10,000 rupees and depreciation is 500 rupees. From 10,000 you need to deduct 500, then what will be the answer? 9,500 you need to put that. Okay, depreciation is nothing but scrap ma. So we are using our mobile since from 2 years. So from 2 years the mobile service charges we are getting, no, some of the problem will be having for the mobile. For that purpose we will spend some money, so that is called nothing but depreciation. Okay, so next, prepaid means you need to pay the rent by 30th January, but you have paid on 1st January only. In advance you have paid. Prepaid means in advance. You need to minus that. Okay, so one is from that in a whatever it may be, and another thing you need to enter that in a liability side. So try to make a note of that. Prepaid will be written in the liability side, and appreciation means nothing but the addition. Depreciation means we will deduct, no ma. Appreciation means we will just add it up. Okay, so here we are deducting, here we are adding, that's it. Outstanding, you need to pay the amount by 1st January but you didn't pay it till yet, so that is called outstanding. So you need to enter this in a two times. One is from that outstanding we need to add that amount, and another thing is asset side. Prepaid is liability side, outstanding is asset side. Okay students, so this is the thing. And the last one is debtors. This is a crucial thing, so everyone will get confused and everyone will lose marks in this debtors adjustment only. So what we need to do, for example, I will give you a small example so that you will easily remember it. Okay, so debtor is a father. Debtor is a father, and his first son name is bad debts. His second son name is provision for bad debts, and his third son name is reserve for bad debts. For suppose debtor has a 10,000 rupees value. Okay, students, debtor is a father, so he has 10,000 rupees. So he said that to uh, share this amount to each and every son according to their percentages. Okay, for example, in the question they have given bad debts 500, provision for bad debts 5%, reserve for bad debts 10%. If they have given like this, means what we need to do? First, first son is bad debts, no? From 10,000, if we are deducting 500, means what will be the answer? 9,500. From this 9,500, second son is asking 5%. Just you need to do it. 9,500 into 5 divided by 100. 475 is second son is taking. 475 is second son is taking. After deducting it, 475 in 9,500 minus 475, what is the remaining balance? 9025. In this 9025, third son is asking 10%. So 9025 into 10%, that is 902, means 903. Like this you need to share the amount according to that persons. Okay, so if they have given this type of questions, mean you need to do the calculation like this. This is an example calculation. Just you remember that bad debts is a first son, provision for bad debts is a second son, and reserve for bad debts is a third son. After taking the first son amount, you need to give the amount from second son. After taking first and second son, you need to give the remaining balance to the third son, that is reserve for bad debts. Okay, so this is the adjustment entry, students. Just we will look into a question which will be helpful to you all. Okay, so here see, prepare final accounts from the trial balance of Brindavan business for the year ended 31st March 2019. They have given a trial balance. We need to do the final accounts, it seems. Okay, salaries is related to the trading account or a profit and loss account or balance sheet. It is related to the profit and loss account, because salaries is paid for the employees will be in an organization, in a company, right? So P&L account. And one more thing, students, trial balance, whatever the amount you are having in the trial balance, that will be entered only one time, either in profit and loss account, either in trading account, or either in balance sheet. Only one account it will be entered, and adjustment entries will be written in the two accounts. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్లో వచ్చినాయి ఏంటి, ఒకటే అకౌంట్లో ఏమంటారు పోస్టింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్లో వచ్చేటి టూ అకౌంట్స్లో పోస్టింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, సాలరీస్ ఇస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ది ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్. పర్చేజెస్ అంటే మనము ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. పర్చేజెస్, వేజెస్ అనేది ట్రేడింగ్, లేబర్స్కి ఇస్తాం కదా వేజెస్, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ది ఫ్యాక్టరీ రిలేటెడ్ ట్రేడింగ్. నెక్స్ట్, క్యారేజ్ ఆన్ పర్చేజెస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో అ ట్రేడింగ్. Okay, office expenses, they are only saying it is office expenses, P&L account. Commission, P&L account. Debtor is a asset, furniture is a asset, machinery is a asset. Insurance, we will take insurance for the company, right? So P&L account. Bank balance, asset. Bills receivable means in the future we will receive that bills, it is a asset. Cash, asset. Next, sales, trading account. Creditors is a liability, who is giving a money to us, we need to repay them in the future. Capital is a liability. Bills payable is a liability. Like this you need to just ఏవి ఎక్కడొస్తాయి అనేది చెప్పేసి మీరు ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి, ఈజీగా ఐడియా వచ్చేటట్టు చూసుకోవాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. అండ్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్, అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ వేజెస్. అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ మీన్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్. హియర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సెడ్ నో. Outstanding means we need to plus. Okay, so outstanding wages is 2000. One is in trading account and another is in a liability side. Outstanding will be written in the liability side. I have said no, two accounts. Okay, trading and balance sheet. Next, outstanding salaries. Salaries is P&L account. We need to add this 1000 in P&L account as well as the outstanding is a liability. Okay, next, prepaid insurance. It seems prepaid means we need to deduct that. Okay, so from where we need to deduct that? In P&L account as well as in a asset side. Okay, so here see, create 5% reserve for bad debts on debtors. Debtors amount is 30,000. For this 30,000 they said to give the 5% for the reserve for bad debts. Okay, 30,000 into 5%, whatever we are having, that we need to enter in the P&L account, and in asset side we need to deduct that. Okay, next, two accounts. Next, depreciation on furniture and machinery. So that is also a P&L account and asset side. Closing stock is a, as I have said, trading account and balance sheet. Okay students, so like this you will get the answers. So after finishing like this, you need to draw the pro formas. Here, trading account. Trading account, debit, credit, particulars amount. This is the pro forma. Okay students, this is the pro forma. So the first and the foremost thing, in trading account only 5 to 6 things will be come. What is that? Opening stock, closing stock, purchases, sales, purchase return, sales return, wages, and that's it. Okay, so here you will get this only. So in credit side only you will get sales, closing stock, purchase return. That's it. Only three will sales return you will get. That's it, ma. No need to worry about that. First, in the question, what we are having related to the trading, purchases we are having. So in trading account debit side we need to enter the purchases. In trading account debit side all the expenses. In the trading account credit side all the incomes. Purchase is an expense for us, no? So I'm writing here. So 2, debit always starts with 2. 2 purchases. Okay, to what is the amount? 22,000. So here I'm writing 22,000. Okay, next, in question what we are having next? Wages. Wages is also a expense for us, so that it will be written in the debit side to wages. But for wages we are having a adjustment, right ma? Here we are having adjustment. What is the adjustment? Outstanding wages. Outstanding, it seems 2000. We need to add that. Okay, what is the wages amount? 7,800. So 7,800 plus outstanding how much? 2000. So what will be the total amount? 7,800 plus 2000. 9,800 is the total amount. So that is I am putting in a outer column 9,800. Okay, next, carriage on purchases. It seems carriage on purchases also we need to write it in a debit side to carriage. How much is the amount? 400. Okay, so I am writing that 400 here. Okay students, next, sales we are having. Sales is an income for us, so that's why I'm writing in a credit side. Credit always starts with buy. Buy, sales. What is the amount? 47,000.
Okay, next, in question everything is over. Okay, trading account, trading account, trading account we have already posted, sales also we have posted, in adjustment outstanding wages also posted, and last we are having closing stock. So closing stock is written on the credit side in the trading account, as I have said, by closing stock. What is the amount of closing stock? Level 1000. Just I'm adding that level 1000. Okay, okay students, just I am adding the level 1000 here. Okay, that's it. Just you need to total it up. Okay, debit is showing more or credit is showing more, just we need to select it. Okay, 47,000 plus level 1000, total 58,000 is the credit amount, and next debit amount is 22,000 plus 9,800 plus 400. Debit is less. Okay, credit is 58,000 but debit is 32,200. Whatever the amount we are having a highest, we need to put that amount in a both the sides. Okay, so what is the highest amount? 58,000. Okay, 58,000 we have written. So in that 58,000 we need to deduct all the debit amount, that is 22,000 minus 9,800 minus 400. Then what will be the answer? 25,800. So 25,800. We will call this as a gross profit to gross profit. For example, if debit is showing more, credit is showing less, means we will call that as a by gross loss. Okay, but here debit is showing less, means we should call this as a gross profit. Like this you need to do the trading account. So by doing the P&L account, you need to remember that here we are having a debit side gross profit ma. Here it is a debit side. In P&L account we need to transfer this amount as a credit side. This is the P&L account pro forma, right? P&L account debit and credit. So here it will come by gross profit. What will be the amount? 25,800. Okay, so this is an amount. Like this you need to, if you have got gross loss, means their credit, here it will be debit side. Okay, so that simple is this. Okay, next, what you are having in P&L account? Salaries you are having. For salaries you are having adjustment, right? 1,000 you need to add that. What is the salaries amount? 6,000 to salaries. 6,000 plus outstanding how much? 1,000. So total 7,000. Like this you need to enter it. Okay, next, office expenses 500 to office expenses 500. Next, commission, it seems commission is a 600 to commission 600. Next, what you are having? Insurance. For insurance you are having adjustment, right? So what is the insurance adjustment? Minus. What is the insurance amount? 400. 400 minus prepaid 50. Okay, so to insurance 400 minus prepaid how much? 50. That is 350 only. Okay, are you getting my point? It is an asset, asset, asset. That's it. This is about the P&L account. In P&L account you are having a create 5% on debtors. Debtors value is 30,000. So for 30,000 into 5 divided by 100 means what is the amount? 1500. So this you need to enter here. Okay, so to bad debts how much? 1500. Okay, next, what you are having? Depreciation on furniture 150, machinery 500. It seems depreciation also you need to write in a P&L account debit side, as I have said. To depreciation on furniture it is
150 to depreciation on machinery is 500. Okay, so this is also over. This is also over. Now in P&L account, all the ledgers we have posted, just you need to add it, whether it is a debit side is showing more or credit side is showing more. I think that credit side credit side is showing more. Okay, so 25,800 we need to total the amount in both the columns. 25,800, 25,800, because debit is lesser. Okay, from 25,800 we need to deduct all this. Okay, so 7,000 minus 500 minus 600 minus 350 minus 1500 minus 150 minus 500. What will be the answer? 15,200 is the less amount we are having in the debit side. 15,200. We will call this as a net profit. For example, debit amount is more, credit amount is less, means we will call it as a by net loss. Okay, so this is a net profit. Okay students, so this is about the P&L account. Now the last account we need to do, that is balance sheet. Okay, how we need to do the balance sheet? Okay, liabilities means appulu, assets means property, astulu. Okay, so here I am showing here. Okay, so here asset, debtors is an asset, right? So debtors we are having adjustment, we have already used 5%, that is 1500 we have used. What is the debtors amount? Debtors is an asset, so debtors 30,000. In that 30,000 we have used for bad debts. How much? 1500. So 30,000 minus 1500. 30,000 minus 1500, it is 28,500. Like this you need to do. 30,000 into minus 1500. Okay, next what you are having? Furniture. For furniture total amount is 3,000. We have used depreciation also, no, 150. So here I am writing furniture 3,000 minus depreciation, it is 150. So 150 in 3,000 minus 150, 2850. Okay students, next we are having machinery. Machinery amount is 10,000. We have used depreciation 500. So what will be the outer column? 9,500. Okay students. Okay, this is over, this is over, this is over. Next, bank balance. So bank also it is an asset. No adjustment is there. Bank is 4,000, and bills receivable is also an asset, that is 2,000. Next, cash amount is there, that is also a asset, that is level 100. Okay, so this is a thing, and remaining what thing we will get? Outstanding is a liability side. Outstanding is a liability side. Prepaid we will get, no, one time we have already used in P&L account, and another time asset side. So prepaid, how much prepaid insurance? 50. Next, what you are having? Depreciation also we have written. Closing stock we are having, no, so closing stock level 1,000. That's it. This is the thing, you need to enter it in a credit assets side. Okay, so in balance sheet we should not write by to like that. Debit credit will be not there, so because it is a statement, students. Okay, in liability side creditors is there 10,000, so I'm writing creditors here. Creditors 10,000. Next, bills payable you are having. Bills payable, how much is the bills payable? 5,800. Next you are having capital. Capital you are having, how much is the capital amount? 25,000. So for this capital amount you need to add net profit. Net profit, how much we got? 15,200 we have got that net profit. No, we need to add that net profit into a capital 15,200. So what will be the answer? 25,000 plus 15,200. 40,200 will be the answer, which we need to keep that in a outer column. Okay students, next if we have got net loss means we need to do minus. Okay, next what you are having here, outstanding wages we need to enter here. No, so outstanding wages is 2,000, outstanding salaries is 1,000. Okay, next what you need to write, that's it. Okay, everything we have included. Okay, so adjustment 2 times we have included, trial balance also we have included, everything. So okay, outstanding wages we have included in trading account and liability side, penal account and liability side, penal account and asset side, penal account and asset side, next penal account debit side and asset side, trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. So this is the 2 times we have posted, right? So in 2 accounts we have posted adjustments. Okay, just you need to do the total of the balance sheet. If liabilities and assets are tallied means your answer is correct. If it is not tallied means you have done a mistake. Okay, so let's check whether we are answer is getting tallied or not. So liability side 10,000 plus 5,800 plus 40,200 plus 2,000 plus 1,000, that is 59,000 we have got. So at asset side also you should get 59,000. Okay, 28,500 plus 2,850 plus 9,500 plus 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,100 plus 50 plus 11,000. 59,000 we are getting. So here 59,000, here also 59,000. Hence our answer is correct. Okay, so for this purpose only you will get 12 marks. Okay, so try to practice it. Okay, so just I have not discussed in depth whatever the thing I have discussed, just practice that. You need to just remember that in whether machinery is asset or liability, or in which account it will come, whether it will come in a trading account, profit and loss account, or balance sheet. You need to remember that. Okay, just adjustments you need to enter in a two accounts. Okay, whether it is a trading account or balance sheet, trading account or a P&L account, whatever it may be. Okay, if you have done any calculation mistakes, out of 12 marks 2 or 3 marks will be deducted for the calculation mistakes, remaining 8 or 10 marks will be in your hands only. Okay, don't confuse. And calculator is allowed, only this type of calculator is allowed in the examinations. Okay, don't take any scientific calculators, because you will sometimes squads will come. So if they have given that type of calculators with you means they will do like they will file a case on a malpractice. So don't try to use any calculators, try to use this normal calculator, and use black pen only. So this is about the financial accounting. So now I will give some of the homework problems, so try to practice that homework problems. Okay students, so just wait, I will show you that screen also. Okay,
So students, here 13A, the following are the figures. You need to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, it means final accounts. Capital is a liability, plant and machinery is a asset, furniture. You need to learn all this. Okay, loan is a liability. In adjustments, what they have given, written off bad debts. Written off is a first son. Okay, so from bad debts you need to minus that. Okay, after that, what is the debitors amount? 15,000. 15,000 minus 1,000, 14,000. For that 14,000 only you need to do the 5%. Then you will share to the provision for bad debts. Okay, closing stock is a like trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. And next we are having interest on capital. What is the capital amount? 50,000. 50,000 into 10%, some called 5,000. That 5,000 we need to add in the liability side. Okay, so capital 50,000 plus 5,000, 55,000 plus net profit. Okay, next, this is also an important question. Just practice this. Interest on capital will be calculated on the capital amount only. Okay, so balance sheet should be tallied. If balance sheet is tallied means your answer is correct, okay, or else you have done a mistake, okay. So whatever the tips and tricks I have said in this video, that is enough. So for overall the whatever the questions I'm showing in the screen, that you need to be perfect with that, okay. So here closing stock they have given, outstanding rent, mala depreciation, next, increase reserve for bad debts. Bad debts debtors value is how much in the question? 5,000. 5,000 into 3%, some so-called amount will be getting. So that so-called amount should be written in the P&L account debit side and in balance sheet asset side. From that 5,000 you need to minus that amount, okay. So that we like that you need to do. Okay, if you're having any further doubts related to the financial accounting, you comment me in the comment section, and do comment also that how you felt about the video, whether you have got the full clarity about the financial accounting or not. Just make sure you do a comment so that I will get to know whether you people are understanding my explanation or not, okay. So as previous videos, many of you are commenting that you have got getting clarity about my explanation, so I'm very much happy for that. And all the very best for your preparation and as well as the examination. I think tomorrow you are having your examination, right? So don't feel stressed. Whatever the explanation videos I have done, just follow that to score full marks in this financial accounting, okay. Financial accounting paper will be easy, don't get tensed, but you should learn whatever the things I have said, then only you will easily understand, okay. So after seeing question paper, you should not get depressed, okay. So like this you need to be follow ma, okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups, because if you think that this video is a worthy means, then do all this, because many of you students were watching our channel but you people are not subscribing. If you subscribe means I will get a boosting, right? Now time is 3rd January 2024, morning 4:30, okay, 4:30 a.m. So for that purpose also you can do all this, okay. So once again, all the very best for your examination as well as the preparation. If you're having any doubts, you comment me in the comment section. I will upload the previous year question papers in a telegram group. Telegram group link is given in the description box. See you all in next video. Bye bye students. Thank you.